Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Mandy. Thank you so much for being here. If you are new, welcome. I hope that you'll stick around, hit that little red subscribe button down below, and become part of the family. So today we're going to be doing an unboxing, and it is the Allure unboxing, the Allure Beauty Box unboxing for July 2020. This is a $15 a month box, and it generally has some really good items in it. Now, I have seen some thumbnails that look like they were disappointed in the box, so I'm kind of intrigued to see what's in here. I think for $15, no matter what, Allure kills it. So, let's see what's in the box, you guys. So when you open it up, there's always a picture of a beautiful person on the magazine, and it's always wrapped up in tissue paper. So here is a sneak peek of what's in the box. And we're going to go ahead and go through and see what we got. First thing, I'm excited because I didn't get this in the BoxyCharm box. This is full size, and it is the Peach and Lily Glass Skin Refining Serum. And I'm going to read what they put here. It's not really a description of the product. It's just what whoever wrote the article thinks about the product. So it says, if you run a Google image search on glass skin, your screen will be flooded with pictures of complexions so glowy they're almost reflective. That seemed a tall order for me, a person whose skin has a sheen more like aluminum foil than glass. But I'm pleased to report that this serum has given my stressed look complexion the extra oomph it needed to be dewy. I noticed an immediate glow and plumping effect. Thanks to the hyaluronic acid in the blend, my skin probably still isn't radiant enough to go viral for its reflective power, but it does look the healthiest and happiest it has been in a while. And I'll take that over regrams any day. Valued at $39. So I don't know why people were like thumbs downing this box, because this makes the box for me right here. Maybe because they got this item in BoxyCharm, but I didn't get this. So I am so happy to receive this product. I'm already excited, already happy. All right, moving on to the next product. And it is from, I don't know how to say this. It's either OC or OSEA. Not sure. But it says it's a cleanser, and it says my skin is on the dry side, so the wrong face wash can leave my skin uncomfortably tight, red, and in need of a thick moisturizer. But I've also got new oily patches on my chin and forehead that need something stronger than my usual cleaning routine. So I gave the OC Ocean Cleanser with a mix of hydrating and clarifying oils a go. It neutralized oil on my T-zone, hydrated my dry cheeks, and left my skin glowing. It contains lactic acid, which is a gentle exfoliator. I love how the gel melted into a silky foam and had refreshing citrusy scent, and its cooling sensation was much appreciated after a sweaty run or a long stuffy day in front of my laptop. Priced at $48. I don't know if this is full size. I wouldn't think it is because it's a cleanser. It can't be full size. But there is the product. It is in a glass jar, a nice frosted glass jar. That's kind of cool. Cruelty-free, vegan, gluten-free, and made in the USA. So, that's a nice little product right there, I think. Okay, next we have I don't know how to say that. Beauty Butter Lips and Cheek Balm. Blush is the unsung hero of my makeup bag. It can make everything better in seconds. That is, if you find the right formula and apply it strategically so skin appears sun-kissed and not sunburned. When I apply this Butanique balm to my cheekbones and outward to my hairline, the vibrant peach warms up my fair skin as if I spent all day at the beach without all the UV exposure. I also layer the sheer but buildable formula on my lips. The long list of moisturizing oils, apricot, coconut, grapeseed, and pomegranate, keeps my lips soft, never sticky. To finish, I apply the tint across my eyelids for a supple wink of color. Why would you put a... Okay. For those of you keeping track, that's a full monochromatic makeup look just using one product. No matter where you decide to put this balm, the result is the same, a fresh, hydrated flush. Valued at $16. I'm not going to open this because I don't really use cream blushes like that. Here is the product, and it will go in a future giveaway. I'm not mad at it. Not mad at it at all. All right, let's see what's next. Looks like this is the one or the other product, and it is from Dr. Jart, and I do love Dr. Jart Cicapair, because it does work. And this is the Tiger Grass Calming Gel Cream. I love this stuff. My skin tends to be fickle and prone to irritation, especially lately. Perhaps it's all the pandemic-related stress manifesting on my face. In the past couple of months, I've experienced an inexplicable, what the heck? Mixture of dry spots and oily patches, mere centimeters away from each other. I'm also dealing with the redness unlike anything I've ever had before. This gel cream is what I'm using to manage it all. The formula includes Dr. Jart's signature tiger grass, which helps with inflammation, and because the gel cream has been hydrating my dry patches without over moisturizing oily spots, it's become a twice a day essential for calming my skin. Full size, $48. It is a pricey little thing. I'm happy to have it. No complaints here. I've used it. It does work. Good product. Looks like we have one more product left, except for a little acne cover patch. Covers blemishes invisibly. There are 8 patches in here. Is that even in my... That's not even in here. But that's kind of cool. So it looks like there's 8 little patches in there. Anyway, made with Cica tea tree and canola oil. Blends seamlessly, drug-free. Or I don't know how to say that. Patches are designed to blend in with all skin types while minimizing the impurities away from your blemish areas. Okay. So there's that. That's not even on my thing. And the last product is a mask, which I do enjoy getting these masks. I love masking. I don't particularly use charcoal masks, but sometimes I will. So this is Lapcos, I believe, Daily Skin Mask Charcoal. A lot of charcoal detox masks leave your face downright thirsty. They're often too much for my skin, and that's about what I say. But this is the rare one that I don't have to follow up with hyaluronic acid. This sheet mask pulls dirt out of pores with charcoal powder, but it's also soaked in a serum that balances clarifying ingredients, salicylic acid and tea tree oil, with hydrating ones, sodium hyaluronate, I don't know. After peeling it off, the pores on my nose, which seem to, why would you, okay, that just didn't make sense to me because they said after peeling it off. This is not a peel off mask. That's why that threw me off. Which seemed to be perpetually packed with dirt, were barely visible. My complexion looked brighter and my face felt hydrated, not parched. Valued at $3. So, maybe I will give it a try. Let's recap. We have our mask. We have our acne cover patch, which I could have used last week because I had one right here. And I don't normally break out. We have a cleanser. We have the Cicapair. We have a blush, well, duo product. And we have the Peace Lily, the Peach and Lily Glass Skin Refining Serum. So I am, for $15, this made the box 100%, obviously. But, I mean, every other product is amazing. I mean, I don't know why people were saying that it wasn't a great box. I'm excited. I love this box. I love getting this box. So let me know what you guys thought. Do you get the Allure box? Did you like the box? What do you think? Let me know down below. Thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave me a comment. And we are almost to our 1,000 subscriber mark, you guys. So if you're watching and you're not subscribed, please, please, please do subscribe, because we are doing a pretty big giveaway at that 1,000 subscriber mark. So thank you guys so much for being here. Have a fantastic day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.